Good afternoon, everyone. We're here to talk to Ma'am Shire Sige, the banquet supervisor and the curriculum coordinator of Highway 21 Hotels. She is here to talk about the history and how the hotel was established.
So, good afternoon. Highway 21, it's located General Luna Street within Iloilo City. So, it was actually a pension house before, and it was owned by a businessman named Romeo Go. It was constructed last January 10, 2003, and it was named Highway 21 Pension House. The pension house opened 35 rooms last January 10, and last December 15, 2006, it was opened to the public as Highway 21 Hotel. The hotel is composing of 83 rooms. The new building has 48 rooms, and the annex building has 35 rooms. And last October 2011, he decided to build a new function rooms and KTV rooms beside the hotel that can accommodate 120 to 130 people. And also, we also have 8 KTV rooms with a consumable rate.
Thank you.
Sir, good afternoon. This is John Oliver Moana, the KTV in charge. I would like to ask sir about the strength and weaknesses of this establishment. What is the strength of this establishment, sir?
The strength of this establishment is hardworking plus employee and staff, the etiquette of facilities, also legendary accessibility of the hotel based on its location.
And what is the weaknesses of this establishment, sir?
Yes, the real weaknesses of this establishment is the delivery of supplies and yes, sometimes delayed. And of course, records are not automated. The records and files are done manually. And the restaurant's area is very small and it can accommodate only a few people. And also the lack of manpower of this establishment.
Thank you for this interview, sir.
You're welcome.